Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Barbie in a very secret and dress to impress. Okay guys, let's get into it. This is the outfit and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay guys, first of all, for the hair, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one. And then you're going to color it with this color and combine it with this pink color. And you're going to put on this necklace and you're going to change the toggle, select the toggle too. And you can color it like this. Okay, and then you're going to select this necklace from the cards item. And then you're going to make it white. And this is from the VIP room. Just leave it like that. And you can put on this earring, color it white. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the skirt area. And I'm going to select this skirt. Color it with this pink color. Wait, let me show you the color code. This one. And then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the changing room. It's here and I'm going to select, oops, sorry. And then I'm going to choose this top from the Madoka set. And then I'm going to remove the undershirt, remove the lace, remove the bow. Okay, and then we're going to color it with this pink color for the first selection. Oops, sorry. I'm going to go back to the toggle and remove the details. Okay, you're going to remove the details and make it like this. And then we're going to color it with this pink color. Okay, and then for the next selection, just leave it like that. And we're going to make it glitter. Okay, make it glitter. Sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working. But if the glitter can work or can appear, it will be very beautiful. And then choose this heel. I'm going to make it, oops. I'm going to change the color to pink. The same pink color that I have applied before. Okay, just make it like this. And then I'm going to move to the VIP room. And then I'm going to select, wait guys. Okay, I'm going to choose this card. But we can change the toggle to 4. And then we're going to color it with this blue color. And again, change the material to glitter. And I'm going to choose this card. Okay, and we're going to change the toggle. I'm going to make it this toggle. And again, we're going to color it with this blue color and make it glittered. Okay, just make them all this blue color and then change the material to glitter. Okay guys, and then I'm going to put on this this wing and also this one, and then you're going to color it with the pink color, blue color, and yellow color. Let me show you. Okay guys, you can color it like this, and you're going to color the first selection with this color, the next selection, the third selection, and fourth selection. And for this one, you're going to color it with this color for the first selection, the second selection, and the third selection. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to put on this bow, this one, and we're going to color it with the same pink color and change the toggle to type 2. And then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Barbie in a fashion fairy tale and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.